Hey guys, we're back playing Bloons TD6. We're doing the same thing as the last two videos. Yeah. We're doing subs only. We're doing it on medium, like the last video. And this time on skates. The skates map. You see this map? Oh, wait, I unlocked preemptive strike? Cool. That looks deadly. That looks deadly. That does not look very deadly because it's a monkey. Anyway, we'll put down our sub here. He will have longer range. This might take a bit. So I want to fill this whole place with subs. Yes. Remove the town. Just kidding. So we're getting advanced intel on all of them. And we're also getting Bloon Energizer, Preemptive Strike, and Sub Commander on one of them. This guy will be the Energizer. So I'm not upgrading him on anything else. However, this guy will be the middle path, aka the Preemptive Strike. Oh, no. Don't kill the town. Heat tip darts. I forgot to use my monkey knowledge. Longer range, yeah. Longer range. Now after we get our third one and airburst darts on our third one and advanced intel on this one, we will be done. And then I can start working on monkey money. Oh, we're allowed any number of support towers. Monkey banks. We can't really get a buffing alchemist. Anything else? We can get a glue monkey, but I just want monkeys that buff, not hinder balloons. Apart from one, it's a ninja monkey. It's called the Grand Saboteur. It halves Moab health, but I don't think we'll be able to get that in the short time. Advanced intel. Longer range. Actually, we don't need airburst darts because our first... So, it costs 1,000. Our first monkey farm costs 1,125. I like how they don't make it annoying and put it as 999 monkey money, because that would just be annoying, as I said. How does that fit? Anyway, I'll put it there. Long life bananas. because we're working towards bank. Increase production. Yes, I'm literally just sitting here, tapping bananas, staring at a bank. Well, staring at a monkey farm. Ow, that's gotta hurt. Valuable bananas. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get airburst darts now. Oh, that's a lot of money. Airburst darts. That's a lot of bloons. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, we're fine. Triple darts. Advanced intel on 2 of them. And next we'll be getting probably a banana plantation. No, we're getting a bank on this guy. And a banana research facility on the next. No, stop tapping on the town to remove it. Camos. Submerge. Oh, bananas. First. Plutonium reactor. Submerge. Ballistic missile. Oh, I forgot I was recording. Sorry. Also, I didn't really have anything to say. So that's why. That's part of the reason why I wasn't talking. Oh, yeah, never mind. I'm getting banana. Oh, I'm getting the banana research facility. Also, so I don't not really get anything out of this, because I'm putting down a monkey farmer. So I don't have to do anything. I will be playing on this after round 60. Okay. Long life, and next is valuable. Valuable bananas. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So it's clear that I need more subs. He can go there. He will have advanced intel. And triple guns. Armor piercing darts. So I want sub commander, energizer, and first strike capability. And I kind of want sub commander first. Ha. Moab. Easy. I just realized we're past round 40. Defeat the second Moab. Yes, I know I can get the first strike capability, but I want the sub-commander. Why? Adds extra pierce and damage to commander and all subs in its radius. It currently has 4 subs. That's including itself though. And it can fit 5, 6, 7, possibly 8. Unless the energizer. No. It needs some first strike capability monkeys around it for it to really be good. But it does do more damage. I think. I think. I'm pretty sure it does more damage. Ceramic Rush? Sub Commander. Oh, that's so much easier. Now another banana farm. There. Banana plantation. Okay. It's almost round 60. Can we defeat it? I really want the banana research facility. Okay, round 60. The last one we just one-shot it with the first strike capability. Hey, we defeated it. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll do another video on this. Should I? Okay, I might do another video on this. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell because my uploads are random, and see you next video.